Welcome back to Nature's Blast. If you're looking to transform your body and boost your fitness, today we're diving into the science-backed diet strategies that actually work for your unique body type. Did you know that diet makes up about 75% of your fitness results? You can work out all you want, but without the right nutrition, you're just spinning your wheels. Let's break down how you can eat smarter to achieve your fitness goals faster. To maximize your results, you need to understand your body type. There are three main categories: Ectomorph, Endomorph, and Mesomorph. Your body's metabolism and ability to gain or lose weight are unique to you, and knowing which category you fit into is key to finding the right diet strategy. First up, the Ectomorph, or hard gainers. If you can eat anything and still stay lean, you're an Ectomorph. With a high metabolism, you'll need to eat more calories than you burn. For Ectomorphs, carbs are your best friend. Aim for 50 to 60% of your caloric intake from whole grains, and focus on eating every 2 to 4 hours to fuel your muscle growth. Next, we have the Endomorph. If you find it hard to lose weight and easy to gain, this body type is for you. The key to success is limiting carbs to around 30 to 40% of your diet. Focus on vegetables, lean meats, and whole foods while cutting out processed items. Cardio should be your best friend. Aim for 4 to 7 HIIT sessions a week to shed fat and improve metabolism. Finally, Mesomorphs. This body type has the best of both worlds. With a naturally muscular frame and the ability to stay lean, Mesomorphs can build muscle and burn fat simultaneously. Aim for a balanced diet with 40 to 60% carbs, and keep your workouts varied with a mix of weight training and moderate cardio. Don't overdo the cardio to preserve your muscle mass. Carbs are the most efficient fuel for your body, especially during intense workouts. Your body stores carbs as glycogen in your muscles and liver, so don't be afraid to include them in your meals, especially before and after your workouts. But remember, not all carbs are created equal. Let's break down the difference. Simple carbs, like sugar, are digested quickly and cause a spike in blood sugar, leading to energy crashes. On the other hand, complex carbs, like whole grains and veggies, digest slower and provide sustained energy, helping you feel fuller longer and fueling your workouts. Protein is the foundation for building muscle. It's made up of amino acids, and your body needs them to repair and grow muscle tissue. To maximize muscle gain, eat protein with every meal. Around 1 gram per pound of body weight is ideal for most fitness goals. Since your body can't store protein like carbs, it's important to eat it regularly. Aim for 5 to 6 small meals a day, including a source of protein in each. This keeps your muscles fueled and supports growth and recovery. While protein supplements can be convenient, they're not better than whole foods. Whole foods provide additional nutrients that your body needs, and protein shakes should only be used when you're in a pinch. Whether you're an Ectomorph, Endomorph, or Mesomorph, knowing your body type and eating according to it is the key to unlocking your best body. Combine the right nutrition with the right workouts and watch the transformation unfold. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss another health tip. See you next time.